Hello my friends. It's been about a year and a half since I built this hammock support and I'm still using it and it's holding up well. But I want to show you a modification or a field change that should be done. Um, the hammock rack works well, but if you're doing any swinging, there is a potential problem. So let me show you the fix and I'll show you what the problem is. With any swinging, there is this side motion in the vertical supports, and the elimination of that is simple. As it is, the side supports wiggling is all held by these two bolts and the one bolt that's in the bottom of that vertical upright. So what we need to do is put in diagonal supports, and that will take that out. These diagonal supports, we want to come up straight. We want to be in line with this horizontal base, and we want to make contact into the vertical in this area here. So we want to be straight in line with this. So we're going to come up into this area, and it looks like about 22 inches from here to the base. So let's make our supports at 22. First, I don't want that knot up where I'm going to run any screws, so I'm going to take that off. Get our 22-inch mark. .45 degrees. Now we need 4 of those. Now before we mount these with the lag screws, we want to pre-drill holes in the diagonal supports. So I want this to come in near the thick area at an angle like this. So I'm going to pre-drill a hole right at this angle, matching this right here. So we do all 4 of these that way. Okay, since we're going in drilling at an angle, we want to start a hole and then tilt the bit at the proper angle. So I'm going to start this way. Now that gives us a bite into the wood, and now we drill the hole. Right like that. And we're coming out near the thick part. Right there. Do all 4 sides that way. This angle. Approximately there. Start the hole. Tilt the blade. Right there. Here's the support, and it'll go right here. I'm using a washer onto this 4-inch lag screw. Nice and tight. And the upright, same way. Just putting about 2 inches into the other wood. Oh, it's solid already. I'm going to put one on the other side and do the other end the same way. Here is the field change. And you can see right there, this is rock solid. This hammock now will take a lot of swinging. No worries about those uprights coming off. Total time was maybe 20 minutes. Thanks for watching, my friends. Bye-bye.